All I'm going to do is drill some little holes around these corners and then turn it around and then cut it out with a jigsaw. That's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to put a larger hole in here so I can get the jigsaw into it and then start cutting around it. Put the masking tape on and just draw around dot to dot where the holes were. So I've just fired all the edges down just to take the burrs off, and I'm going to put this Hammerite straight to metal 2-in-1 just to go around the edges here on the raw metal, so it helps to stop any rust. It takes about 2 hours to dry. That's primer white. This is the primer. Some on here as well. Good measure. Okay. I'm going to put a bit of tape so it stops it from dropping. Look at that! Look at that! Woo.